Smell the candles. Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I had to buy a mask first before I could start vlogging because you know, do you want to break the rules and stuff? Yo, this mask looks so, I wish I wore it like other way around because I feel like now it does not coordinate with my outfit.
But you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in five, I'll be.
People are talking about it's cold. Yeah, I know it's cold, but I'm not cold. So that's why I decided to wear my crop top. So the girl's not cold, okay? No, most def I will probably buy something. So I'm gonna take this as well. Oh my god, wow. Ikea is so affordable, guys. Look, this is just $60. And it has nice aesthetic, just white. I like it. One thing I like about Ikea is how aesthetically pleasing it is. Ooh, look at that. I like the setup and everything. All the books, all this, it just looks super nice. Honestly, if I get an apartment, I would love this L-shaped couch. How much is it? Is it 30,000? Oh my god, it's not even that expensive, you guys. Look, the price. It's not even that expensive. It's 26. Wow. I think for this kind of decor, it's maybe for a man. It's really nice for a guy, not a woman. Like, ooh. Look at this bathroom thing that is going on here. Are these? Oh my god, look at the closet. This is so nice. And it's only that amount. It's like a built-in closet kind of things. It would look like a built-in closet. I don't know if it's sold separately or what, because there's another price here. Or the whole unit is like that price, and then if you want to buy a single unit, then it's that amount. Ooh, look at this. Then you got the toilet. You've got your thingy. I like this. It's so modern and beautiful, and it's not that expensive as well. You see, this one I feel like it's so popular on Instagram. The TV stand, it is so popular and it's nice. Guys, oh my god, things are so cheap here. Look at this. This is like 3,000 rands, which is so reasonable. Look how beautiful this thing is. I would definitely buy this. Oh, let me see other ones as well, because I feel like having a TV stand that is just white, and then having a TV. I don't want to put too many things, just the TV, and maybe I don't like gaming, so I wouldn't buy a PlayStation. Maybe I would have, like, you know, how you call this, cable TV. Maybe that thing for cable TV. Oh, I don't like this one. This one's ugly. I think when I start, it would depend. If I stay here, then Ikea is definitely the place where I'm gonna get most of my home decor. If I go back home, then I know there's a lot of places where I can get it from. There's candles here. A lot of candles here. Oh wow, they're so cheap. You'll never get a candle for this price at H&M, guys. They all start like 200 and something. Wow. I don't know, just don't like the color, but it smells good, guys. I think I'm gonna get it because it smells good, but I don't like the color. Oh, I'm also gonna get one from Bali, because I feel like the ones that I bought from H&M for her, they did not smell good, so I think I'm gonna get another one for her. I'm gonna get one of each. The white one as well. I'm gonna get the white one as well. And it's so affordable, guys. 79. You never get a candle for this price at H&M. I always bought them from there because I thought that's like the best place to get them, but it looks like Ikea is the best place. Ooh. I like it, guys. I don't like this. Maybe for a guy, who's a student, it's nice, but I don't like it. Obviously they're just giving you an example of how it would look like when you're setting it up. I know, like, maybe you just arrange it the way you like it. Maybe that's why it's because of the way it's set up. That's why I'm thinking I don't like it. Yo, these chairs, guys, they're so thin. I don't like them. Look, I just wish this was thicker. Maybe this was thicker. This is just so thin, and I don't like it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. It's so thin. Hello. It's so thin. That baby is so cute. This right here, I think I like. I don't like the TV stand. I feel like it's too vintage. I think it's just giving me vintage vibes, and I don't like this couch as well. I feel like it's just not giving, man. Honestly, here I don't like anything from here. No, I don't like any pieces from here. I like the TV stand we saw first. I feel like that one is too much as well. I just want something that is simple. Oh, that plant is the one. Look at it. Let me see if it's in a live plant or... Oh, it looks like maybe I can't get in, but let's have a look at that plant, guys. That plant right there. Oh my god, it's so nice. I feel like it would make a home really look nice. So yep. Okay, let's move on. Hopefully I can have more time so I can check out Ikea business. I saw that they have the business side, because guys, with my business I am actually, I'm not gonna say hopefully, I am going to build my own offices one day. So I know the kind of offices that I want, and I know, like, I can design my own offices. Like, I just need space. I just want everything to have a theme and look nice, because I feel like if I get my own space, you know, I don't have to keep on paying for to use other people's spaces whenever I want to have a shoot or I want to do something, you know. So looks like there's another side here, so we're gonna... This bookshelf is really nice. Maybe in an office, like my own office, like I would definitely love to have this, have my books and other stuff. Yeah, I like it. This chair also looks very nice, maybe in a nude color. Yeah, it looks great. Okay, let's keep going. I like this. I like this, guys. You guys get like the kind of things that I like now, like even the TV stand, how simple it was. I like this as well. I like this, but I don't like what's going on here. I feel like it's also too much. Maybe having just a headboard that is like this, and then having this would be nice. I wouldn't appreciate all this. This is really nice with your plants and everything, where you just chill, you drink your coffee, you read your coffee, what did I say? Read your coffee? I'm sorry, guys. I mean, you drink your coffee and you just maybe read your magazine or novel, whatever. Is this like a walk-in closet or a shop? Wow, it's nice. Like, maybe if you want to have a boutique, but I don't know, it's not my kind of vibe. If I had to have a shop, which I will have a shop for African roots, guys. I'm gonna manifest it. I will have it. Let me just show you guys my OOTD while we have a mirror. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Air Force Ones, my Jordan Air Force One, and I'm wearing these oversized jeans. They look so good on me, guys. I don't want to say. And I'm wearing my crop top, and then my bag. Okay, the shoes are from Nike. The jeans, they're from H&M or Net. Actually, these are Nossy's pants, not mine. These are Nossy's pants, and the top is from H&M, and the bag I recently got it as a gift from Nossy, from Zara. Yeah, and then my earrings, they're from some online shop. I even forgot. My mask is from Chenja Family Mart. Okay guys, the counter, I feel like this is like the most basic boutique. I want to have a shop for African roots. It's either I go big or I go home. And that's it. I'm not gonna have a shop until I can afford the kind of shop that I want. So might as well just be online based. That is why actually I didn't want to get a website as well, because I feel like I don't want to do something that is too basic. You get, like, I just want to go big or go home. So when I launch the website, you guys are gonna love it, and yeah, there's gonna be no in between. Okay, I like this, but I would prefer it, because the color here is cream white, I would prefer it to be white. For a guy, yeah, it is. You see, like the handles, they're not feminine, man. But it's really nice for a guy, and I'll probably get it in a white color, because this the nude, the kind of beige cream white color, I don't like it. I think this price is a bit out of the range. I don't like this one. It's cheaper, but I feel like no. This one, no, it's also not a nice piece. This one is nice. This one is nice. Oh, okay, I feel like this one is the best. This one is the best, but I would change probably the handles. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. I would probably change the color of the handles, make it gold, and maybe, because the color is not white, I would try to be, I would want it to be crispy white, like white. Okay, I decided to leave it, leave the thingy for a bit, because they told me if I want candles I have to go to the 10th floor. So thinking since the restaurant is here, I might as well eat first and then go downstairs.
Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the cars, I want up for sure. You said take a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in for fuck a dog, girl, I made you me a more. You said you left your ex, that dude was always gas. You said before me, you ain't never been the same.
I think I'm gonna try their juices there. Free refill, they say. Okay, you pay once. Okay, let me try to zoom that in. Let's try to zoom that in. Oh, let's see how good this camera is. It's focused. Okay, it says you pay once and then you get a free refill. So I think I'm gonna have that. Okay. I hope, because I'm vlogging, I don't drop anything. You guys, my camera I zoomed in, so I have to zoom out. Yes, I forgot to zoom out. So let's see. That salad looks old, man. And then we've got dessert. Let me see. I feel like I've been having a lot of dessert. Cakes, nah, I don't want this. I had ribs this morning, so I'm not gonna have ribs. Probably gonna have salmon. Yeah. 我要那个鲑鱼。
鲑鱼，还有呢？
那是什么？
这个。
对。
威灵顿牛排。
好。
那个。
OK， 那我要鲑鱼。那是马铃薯吗？
对。那是薯条。
OK。谢谢。Okay guys, this is my salmon and all the things. This is out. It looks nice. Looks healthy. So what else am I gonna have? I don't like this, so I'm gonna move. What are these? What are these? Is this lasagne or something? Something like this. I don't want any fried chicken. I think I'm just gonna have this because I don't like fried chicken. So yeah, if I change my mind, about their dessert, I'll come back for it. But for now, let me just have this. I'll go back inside to buy the candles and some organizers. Guys, people are asking me, is it hot in Taichung? It is. Hey guys, I'm finished eating, so let's go look for the candles now. I think I'm gonna. Oh, there's an elevator. What? Bye. Okay, guys. Whoa, smell the candles. I can smell the candles. I'm coming. I am coming for you.
Your friends that saw you this afternoon, I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in five, I'll be.
Ooh, this sakura here is so nice. We love sakura, guys. We love some sakura. This is fake, right? Oh, this is for me. I need to get some fake plants first before I get the real ones. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna head down to the business session now. This is what I got, just to show you quickly. I got like 3 cherry candles and 2 vanilla, and I also got these things here, Dofta. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, these Nasi uses this and they smell so good. So I think I'm gonna give one of these to Nasi, and then 2 of these, like 1 cherry, 1 vanilla, to Mbali, and then I'll take 1 cherry and vanilla with me as well. I hope they don't sell out because I would definitely come back for these. It's just that now I live in a school dormitory. I don't see a point of buying a lot of these. So yeah, let's go back. I can't believe I ended up spending the entire day at Ikea. It's so dark outside now. I came here way earlier, so I'm about to pay for these items I bought, and then I'll head out. Let me join.
I'm on my way. Put it in five, I'll be.
Ah!